Cori's Big Cleanup Day by Tales Animated. My name is Cori. I am 5, and I like building big block castles in my room. Blocks, puzzle pieces, and toy cars fill my floor. They make the room look busy and fun. I see my favorite red block under my bed. My socks are hidden under books. Sometimes it feels like looking for treasure when I find my things. One morning, I want to drive my blue car with silver wheels. Where is it? I crawl under my bed and peek behind a stack of books. Not there. I feel a little upset. I want to play, but my room is really messy. If only I could find my blue car right away. Mama comes in. She smiles and kneels beside me. Let's try something new, Cori, Mama says. Let's pick up one thing at a time. I put the puzzle pieces in their box. Mama folds my socks. Piece by piece, the floor starts to clear. I can see my rug again. Cleaning feels slow at first. But if I try, I can do it. Mama cheers! Look, Cori, your room is shining. I found my blue car under a blanket. I did it! I shout. I feel proud. I know I can clean up, even when it feels hard. Now I want to play in the living room. I take my blue car with me. What if I clean up everywhere little by little? Maybe I'll find more lost treasures. The end.